I'm Ajay Gupta. I'm the Director of Commercial Notebook Products at HP. I'm here to talk to you about our new line of EliteBook products. These are specifically designed to address the commercial enterprise market needs, while at the same time appealing to the end user. So if you compare them to our last generation of EliteBook products, these products are substantially thinner and lighter, in some cases as much as 33% thinner and lighter than our last generation of products. So all of these three products, the 12-inch, 14-inch, and 15-inch, are 21 millimeters thick. Our 12-inch starts at less than 3 pounds in weight. So significant reduction in weight and significant reduction in thinness. So some of the main features, all of them have configurability up to an i7 CPU, so i3, i5, i7 core CPUs. You have the option for discrete graphics on the 14-inch, 15-inch models. Backlit keyboard is an option on all three products. You have the option to have a pointing stick or a touchpad on all three products. You also have the option for touch on our 14-inch product. Multiple display choices across the board. Now, a couple of things I wanted to point out specifically on these product lines as we go through them. And you can see how thin the product is and how light the product is. The RJ45 is a drop jaw connector. And unlike some of the competitive products you may have seen with the drop jaw technology, our drop jaw is actually built into the chassis, so it's designed to survive over a long period of time. So you will not have it break off because the units got yanked because the cable was connected. The other thing to show you is we have the same side docking connector as we've had in our current generation of 9470 product and our 810 EliteBook Revolve. So we have brought that connector over across the Elite product line. So now you have the same side docking that is available across the product line. Multiple USB ports, including charging ports. We have a display port across the line. Let me show you some of the other features on this product from a serviceability point of view. Single latch to remove it, remove the back panel. Full magnesium housing. Now you have complete access to the inside as an IT manager. Memory slots, you have 3 M.2 slots, including wireless WAN, wireless LAN, and an SSD. We have a large heat pipe and a very large and efficient cooling system for discrete graphics and for the CPU. Some simple design details to show you. So this is the removable battery that will give you as much as over 10 hours of battery life. A couple of simple things to see. As you can see on the battery, we have a textured and a non-textured area. And this little design detail has been specifically put in to channel the water from a spill-resistant keyboard out of the unit. So just simple things like that that are inside the unit that the users never get to see, but are driving the design experience. This unit also supports a slice battery. So the slice battery in combination with the main battery will give you over 33 hours of use. Some other design feature, if you look at the A cover, the top cover of the unit, you don't see any antenna windows, which have been very common in our last generation of products and a lot of competitive systems. But this is all magnesium. So we have co-molded this piece with an antenna window of a different material, so you have great wireless performance with both wireless WAN and wireless LAN, but you don't have any design lines that are showing it. Second thing to show you is we have a little rubber co-molded double shot gasket in the unit. Again, to keep the display away from the keyboard from a structural point of view, so you don't have 2 years or 3 years down the road where the keyboard is now imprinted upon the display. This unit has a soft touch paint finish on it, and this product, this cover takes 10 days to produce in the manufacturing process because it's a magnesium piece, it gets co-molded, it gets double shot, it goes through multiple painting process of base coats, of powder coating, of baking, to give you a structural design that is as clean and as good looking on year 2 or year 3 as it does in the first week. From a security point of view, you have a fingerprint reader, you have the smart card slot, and all of these are available depending on your corporate requirements. Of course, we have things like TPM. We'll have one of my colleagues talk to you about some of the BIOS work that we have been doing in connection with the HP labs that will talk to you about specifically things that we're doing to give you a second level of security options. So this is our mainstream, enterprise-specific, SMB-specific product designed for security, manageability, while delivering a design that is visually appealing and looks good doing so.